Model, 1998 Toyota Regius Hiace 3.0 diesel camper. Pop top needs automatic body, blue, camper mileage, 143,422 engine, 3000 cc diesel transmission, automatic mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Auto clutch is slipping and will need replacing. Nice easy fix if you know how. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear is very clean with a 2-berth rock and roll bed. Pop to roof with room for 2 more people. Lots of storage space. Gas hookup, 2-burner hob and sink combo. Full electric setup with leisure battery and overnight hookup features. Part service history, electric windows HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.